Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best things to do in Montenegro. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. This isn't just another travel guide, okay? This country absolutely blew my mind. We're talking jaw-dropping mountains, ancient towns, and water so blue you'll think your eyes are playing tricks on you. I just got back, and the footage, the experiences, they're still buzzing in my head. I had to get this out to you guys ASAP because Montenegro is one of those places that's still a bit of a hidden gem, so why Montenegro? Man, where do I even start? It's this tiny country in the Balkans that punches way above its weight. It's got this raw, untamed beauty mixed with incredible history and a vibe that's just cool. You feel it the moment you land. I'm talking about a place where you can be hiking epic peaks in the morning and then chilling on a stunning beach by the afternoon. It's that diverse. And the people? Super welcoming. I'm so stoked to share this journey with you, to give you the real, unfiltered look at what makes this country so special. This isn't just about ticking off sites, it's about the feeling, the adventure. Get ready because we're about to cover everything. From getting lost in ancient walled cities to exploring some of the most insane natural parks I've ever seen. Relaxing on iconic islands, cruising on serene lakes, and yeah, even diving into some pretty wild nightlife. This is the ultimate guide, packed with everything I learned, everything I loved. So grab a coffee, sit back, maybe take some notes because by the end of this you'll be booking your flight. Let's do this. Montenegro, here we come. Alright, first up, Kotor Old Town. Guys, this place is insane. It's like stepping straight into a medieval fantasy. The moment you walk through those ancient city gates, bam, you're in a different world. Massive stone walls, centuries old, wrapping around this incredible town. The Venetians were here, you can see their influence everywhere. It's a UNESCO World Heritage site, and you immediately understand why. It's not just preserved, it feels alive, like history is breathing around you. Next up, we're heading inland, away from the coast to a place that will just take your breath away. Durmitor National Park. If Kotor is about history, Durmitor is about raw, untamed, epic nature. This place is huge. We're talking dramatic limestone peaks scraping the sky, deep canyons, 18 glacial lakes that they call mountain eyes, and dense pine forests. It's another UNESCO site, and it's easy to see why. The scale of it is just humbling. You feel tiny in the best possible way. It's the kind of place that reminds you how powerful and beautiful the natural world is. The air is so fresh, so clean. It's a complete change of pace from the coastal towns, and it's absolutely essential for any Montenegro trip. The landscapes here are just, wow, I mean, I've seen a lot of mountains, but Durmitor has this rugged, almost primal beauty. The most famous spot is probably the Black Lake, CRNO Jezero. Okay, let's talk about Sveti Stefan. You've probably seen the pictures, right? That tiny, ridiculously picturesque island connected to the mainland by a narrow causeway, with all those terracotta-roofed stone villas clustered together. It's probably one of the most photographed spots in Montenegro, and for good reason. It's stunning. It looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. Originally a 15th century fishing village, it's now an ultra-exclusive Aman resort. So yeah, unless you're dropping some serious cash to stay there, you can't actually wander around the island itself. But don't let that stop you from experiencing its beauty. So, the island itself is private, for guests of the Aman Sveti Stefan resort, and we're talking serious luxury like movie star level. Alright, let's shift gears again and head to Lake Skadar. This place is special. It's the largest lake in southern Europe, straddling the border between Montenegro and Albania. And it's a designated national park. It's not just big, it's incredibly diverse, a real haven for wildlife, especially birds. Think vast expanses of open water, then suddenly you're in a maze of water lilies and reeds with tiny fishing villages dotted along the shore and ancient monasteries perched on little islands. It's got this serene, almost mystical quality to it. It feels a world away from the bustling coast, a real escape into nature's embrace. It's a side of Montenegro that many people miss, but it's so worth exploring. The wildlife here is the star of the show. Lake Skadar is one of the most important bird reserves in Europe. We're talking over 270 bird species, including the rare Dalmatian pelican. These huge, amazing birds. Okay, so we've done ancient towns, epic mountains, luxury islands, and tranquil lakes. What's left? Party time. And for that you head to Budva. Budva is kind of like the Miami of Montenegro. It's got beautiful beaches, a charming old town, yes, another one, also super cool, But when the sun goes down, Budva comes alive in a completely different way. This is the undisputed nightlife capital of the Montenegrin coast. If you're looking to let loose, dance the night away, and experience some serious energy, Budva is your spot. It's got a buzz that's infectious. The options for a night out in Budva are pretty much endless. So that's a wrap on the best things to do in Montenegro. Man, what a country. From the ancient streets of Kotor and the mind-blowing peaks of Durmitor, to the iconic beauty of Sveti Stefan, the wild tranquility of Lake Skadar, and the non-stop energy of Budva's nightlife, Montenegro seriously has it all. It's a place of incredible contrasts, packed into such a small area. I went there with high expectations, and it completely surpassed them. The natural beauty is just off the charts, the history is fascinating, and the adventures are endless. I really hope this video gave you a good taste of what's waiting for you there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and share. Seriously, every like, every comment, it helps the channel out so much, and it lets me know what kind of content you guys want to see more of. If you've been to Montenegro, drop a comment below and tell me your favorite spot or if there's anything I missed. I love hearing your experiences.